Robotic window cleaners make it easy to clean windows indoors and outdoors, including those that are difficult to access. A window cleaning robot usually cleans a whole window from edge to edge, alerting you when it's finished. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products. The Ecovacs Winbot W930 comes with a dual suction rings system and a host of advanced cleaning technologies. It can clean automatically, effectively, and thoroughly, freeing your hands from tedious chores. It is equipped with a powerful vacuum pump and dual suction rings to seal the robot to the glass. $850 is equipped with patented technology, advanced cleaning systems, and safety mechanisms. It uses a high-speed fan motor for strong suction, better stability, and deep cleaning. It is one of the smallest robots of the Winbot series, designed to fit even in small windows. Also, it is perfectly suitable for frameless windows, uses ball sensors to detect the edges of the frameless glass, and cleans without the risk of falling. Besides, with the safety pod and tether, cleaning high-rise windows is safer than ever. It uses a 4-stage cleaning process, while the mechanical bumper protects window frames and multiple sensors help it intelligently avoid edges and obstacles while leaving glass shining. The Alfawise S60X5 has a built-in AI technology that will identify window frames and obstacles. It works with wire in case of power failure or power supply, and its intelligent algorithm avoids the risk of falling. It will stay on the glass for 30 minutes. Also, the powerful suction of the motor allows the glass cleaner to be firmly held on the vertical glass surface. It won't climb the window frame, and the max gap between the two glasses is 3 mm for the robot crossing over. You can switch the cleaning route or control the directions by remote control. Besides, it can achieve deep cleaning with maximum coverage based on your needs for different types of glass. Holding the first place among the list of best robotic window cleaner, Ecovacs Winbot W710. It triples the clean with its unique 3-stage cleaning process. The front cleaning pad sprayed with cleaning solution moistens and absorbs dirt. Also, the squeegee draws the remaining waterborne dirt off the window, and the rear dry cleaning pads wipes the window to a dry, spotless shine. It removes the risk of cleaning tall or hard to reach windows. Merely place the Winbot on the glass and press start on the robot or its remote control. It will automatically determine the size of the window, map the most efficient cleaning path, clean the window, and return to where it began for easy removal. Also, it uses Pathfinder technology to automatically determine the size of the glass to be cleaned, calculate a custom cleaning path for speed and efficiency, cleans the glass, and returns to where it began for convenient removal. Thanks for watching! These are the best robotic window cleaners in the market. Let us know you liked the video by liking it, and to see more like this in the future, subscribe to our channel.